Hey guys, we're the 4-H Tech Changemakers, supported by Microsoft, and today we're going into how to use Zoom, and then tapping on the Zoom icon button to get into the app. Now if you don't have the app yet, don't worry. You can go into whatever app store your device supports. In my case, with an Apple iPad, it's the Apple App Store, and in the search bar, I'm typing in Zoom. Now when I search it, for me, it comes up in the upper left-hand corner. And when tapping on it, you can see different information about the app. Now going back into the app, you can join a meeting without creating an account. To join the meeting, you will need both a meeting ID and a screen name. As you can see, my screen name is Audrey. Now onto the meeting ID. Now for this example, I'm just using a random set of numbers. Now when you scroll down, you can see the options to do not connect to audio and to turn off my video. These are just options to how you will enter the meeting. Now this is what is called a waiting room. So even when you put in the correct meeting ID and password, you might still get put in a wait room. That's just saying that the host hasn't let you in yet. So right now I am in the waiting room and I am being let in by myself on a different device. Hello guys! Alright, starting on the top left, we have the Set to Gallery View button. This allows you to see multiple people at the same time. Now on the top you can see the Start Video option. This allows other people in the meeting to see you. You can also turn off your video. You can mute or unmute yourself to allow other people in the meeting to hear you. And then in the top left-hand corner, you can leave the meeting. Lastly, we're going to talk about why you would set up an account in Zoom. Some people think it's just easier just to have an account. Some people think it may help make it easier to set up meetings. Either way, it's totally your choice. It's totally optional. You can do whatever you are most comfortable with. Just try new things. Try new things in Zoom. If you don't know what a button does, try it and you might learn something that new about Zoom. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, like and subscribe for more videos on tips and tricks on how to use technology. See you guys next time.